Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice the Weather, Describing the Weather, video 11 from this series. So be sure to see all the videos in this series, okay? Great, let's start. How's the weather? Ask and answer. How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's raining. How's the weather? It's snowing. How's the weather? It's hot. How's the weather? It's cold. How's the weather? It's warm. How's the weather? It's cool. Is it? Is it sunny? Yes, it is. Is it cloudy? Yes, it is. Is it raining? Yes, it is. Is it snowing? Yes, it is. Is it hot? Yes, it is. Is it cold? Yes, it is. Is it warm? Yes, it is. Is it cool? Yes, it is. Conversation. I'm calling from India. What are you doing in India? I'm on vacation. How's the weather? It's hot. That's tough. I'm calling from New York. What are you doing in New York? I'm on vacation. How's the weather? It's sunny. That's great. I'm calling from London. What are you doing in London? I'm on vacation. How's the weather? It's raining. That's too bad. I'm calling from Spain. What are you doing in Spain? I'm on vacation. How's the weather? It's cloudy. That's all right. I'm calling from Brazil. What are you doing in Brazil? I'm on vacation. How's the weather? It's warm. That's nice. I'm calling from Russia. What are you doing in Russia? I'm on vacation. How's the weather? It's snowing. That's beautiful. I'm calling from Paris. What are you doing in Paris? I'm on vacation. How's the weather? It's cool. That's comfortable. I'm calling from Egypt. What are you doing in Egypt? I'm on vacation. How's the weather? It's cool. That's good. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all of my videos. And please check those boxes to get my posts. And please become a member of the channel. That would be great. I'd really appreciate your kind support. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks a lot. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.